George, everybody, let me give you the two teams for tonight. We'll start with our visitors. Number 28 in goal for them, Gaetan Kuka. 2, Casper De Nora. 6, Sebastian De West. 7, Yunya Ito. 8, Brian Henyon. 10, Ali Mbawa Samata. 17, Patrick Hersowski. 25, Xander Berg. 31, Joachim Mailer. 33 is John Lukumi, and 46 Carlos Cuesta. Subs for Genk: 26 Martin van der Voort, 4 Dries Wouters, 18 Paul Onayachi, 19 Jakub Piotrowski, 23 Iannis Hadji, 27 Theo Bongonda, and 77 is Di Umersi Ndungala. And for Liverpool, number 1 in goal, Alisson Becker. 66, Trent Alexander-Arnold. Number 12, Joe Gomez. Number 4, Virgil van Dijk. Number 7, James Milner. 15, Alex Oxlade-Chamberlain. Number 3, Fabinho. Number 5, Gini Wijnaldum. Number 8, Naby Keita. 27, Divock Origi. And number 11 is Mo Salah. Substitutes for Liverpool, number 13, Adrian. Number 6, Dejan Lovren. Number 20, Adam Lallana. 26, Andrew Robertson. 48, Curtis Jones. 10, Sadio Mane. And number 9 is Roberto Firmino.
And you know through the storm, hold your hands so high, and don't be afraid of the dark. I've been all the storms. There's no